Today's episode of Python Papi. We're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to pick up some light reading from where we left off yesterday. Yesterday we showed how we're going to actually implement the boa.load partial into our contract so we can partially load our favorites.vi file. So today we're going to do some light reading. Let's pick back up. So note this is, I'm going to skip that part because we already went over the address section. I told you have to redeploy the deploy favorites.py first, and then we're going to generate a new address. So I'm not going to actually do that. We're going to read through everything first, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like when we go through the process. So this is what our output should look like with the load partial function. When we run the interact.py script, we should see favorite number is 33. Notice this is the entire output from our interact.py contract file, which we used the load partial function in. We didn't deploy the contract, but we were still able to retrieve our favorite number from the favorites.vi contract file. Note, if we get an error when trying to run the script, we may need to add the load.env function in order to activate the function, but in our case, the script ran just fine, so we didn't need it. Also notice that our favorite number is printing out the updated number that we created, which is 33, and not the starting favorite number we have stored in our favorites.vi contract file. This is because the method allows us to call on the latest state of our contract, which has our new favorite number stored and not the original starting number. We are seeing a new favorite number because we are interacting with the created contract address that was created inside the Envu terminal when we deployed our deploy favorites.py contract file. We can also take this a step further and update our favorite number again. We can do that by doing this. We'll say favorites contract store 100. And we'll say favorite number updated equals favorite contract retrieved. And again, I'm just reading it for you right now. We're actually going to the contract later on, but I'm done reading everything. I'm going to run it for you live so you can see what it all looks like when it comes together. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.